Friends, welcome to day 12 of the Wisdom Insight and Wisdom Secret from the book of Proverbs. Today we'll be looking at Proverbs chapter 12, verse 1 and verse 5. Proverbs 12, 1 and 5. Proverbs 12, 1 says, anyone who loves knowledge wants to be told when they are wrong. It is stupid to hate being corrected. You'll find out that there are certain knowledge or there are certain instruction, there are certain things that come to you that maybe sometimes they seem to really hurt your ego, they seem to really hurt what you believe, they seem to really hurt your position, they sometimes just do not really tally so long with you. But when you sit down and think over them over time, you realize that many of the people who told you those things that made you feel maybe offended, but it challenged you into greater possibility where people really loved you. But you see, the people who lie to you, they really do not like you. And right now, the generation, most especially the young generation, happen to be the way they are because they love to be lied to. And most especially those who come from the third world, the reason why many people seem to be mediocre, the reason why many people seem to be limited, and the reason why many people make wrong choices is because they love to be lied to. But the book of Proverbs right here, the King Solomon is saying right here that those who love knowledge, says that anyone who loves knowledge wants to be told when they are wrong. If you find yourself doing the wrong thing and you see people always hailing you, hyping you, telling you, oh, go ahead, just do well, carry on, you're doing well. But within you, you have a feeling that this is wrong. Not too long from those periods, those people will leave you when you are destroyed and you are no longer relevant. But you know, knowledgeable people, those who are wise, those who are discreet, you know what they do? They always think over their decision and they want to be instructed, and they love those who correct them when they go wrong. And the Bible says it is stupid to hate to be corrected. It is stupid to hate to be corrected. There is an adage that says that the dog that will perish will not listen to the warning of the hunter. So he says that because that dog has chosen to be foolish, he does not want to be corrected. Let me go to verse 5. He said, honest people will treat you fairly. The wicked only want to deceive you. Listen to that. The people who seem to be deceiving you in your wrong direction, on your wrong path to destiny, that make you feel like, oh, you're doing well, and they make you have a feeling of joy, and they don't correct you and tell you, oh, please move on this direction. You know what he says? He said that they are actually wicked people. See that right now, and look at people who always call you to order when you're about taking a wrong decision. And maybe for some reason you have decided to share them away, and then you are plugged around the people who seem to hype you in your wrong decision. There was a time in Israel when the son of Solomon, called Rehoboam, had the ability to reign over Israel. And at that instance, the people came to him and said, oh, your father laid great tax upon us. Can you reconsider all of this and look at this? Or else the kingdom will just separate from you and all of that. You know what he did? He went to the elders, and the elders told him to persuade the people, to appeal with them, and tell them that he was going to lessen their weight. Now he called his own colleagues, his own friends, and they told him that he should tell them that though the father made them suffer in this way, he's going to make them suffer more. And because they made him feel like, oh, he was doing so well, he did not listen to the elders who corrected him. He listened to his friend, and for that reason, the kingdom was separated from him. And he had only 2 tribes instead of having 12 tribes. That's really what happened when you listen to the wicked. So go right now and begin to always remain discreet and wise when people choose to correct you or people who seem to hail you. Not everyone who hail you really love you. Some of them are wicked, and not everyone who corrects you hates you. It takes your discretion to take wise decision. Hope you got value from this. Please do well to like this video, do well to share this video, and also do well to subscribe. Till I come your way again tomorrow and share from the book of Proverbs chapter 13. Remain exceptional. Cheers.